Hey everyone. They always make such a mess when they log. It's not really avoidable, but what is avoidable is not picking up when they're done. Right here is a road they built so the log skid could bring lots of trees out to the truck. And as a result, all the debris ended up down here in the drainage ditch. That's why this puddle is sitting here. But it also blocked a culvert pipe. I think anytime they do logging, they should always bring an excavator out and re-dig the ditches that get filled in with junk as a result of it. So you see over here, that's pretty nice. A little waterfall, all covered in moss. Look at those awesome icicles on that U-shaped tree. And it's going into a little pool. If you look right here, there's actually a good amount of debris blocking the culvert as a result of the logging. Now you may say, that's a nice little pool there. Why unclog it? Well, that blockage is just going to get worse and worse until eventually it starts flowing over the road. And then sometime during a big storm, it's going to cause damage. This drainage ditch is still opened up enough, so it would not cross the road here. It would travel down that drainage ditch to the next culvert pipe, either overwhelming it or contributing to whatever blockage might be there, and then that would be where it crosses and washes out. Here is the other end. You see, they also did lots of trimming along the side of the road, throwing all the trees down here, and they blocked a whole bunch of culverts as a result of that. I unclogged a few culverts today. I filmed one of them that was really bad, and I removed some out of a bunch of others. And it's all because they threw all the trimmings down here and they never cleaned out the culvert pipes. So we're gonna go down there. It's gonna be kind of tough to figure out how to get down there correctly with all this debris. But I'm gonna set up a camera there, camera number 2, and then we will unclog on the other side. This should be a really quick one. All right, everyone, this is a very steep culvert, so this is gonna be a really big sudden blast. I don't think I need the rake. Look at that big chunk, it's all frozen together. That was still attached to the stump. Now it's time for the rake. So many branches from the trimmer down here. All clear, and I think it's just about drained back already. Alrighty. Looking good. That was pretty awesome, don't you think? Alright everyone, I hope today's video was interesting. Thanks for watching and have a great day.